CarveWright's included Project Designer is an easy-to-use and full-featured CNC software package. It's based on a simple drag-and-drop concept where you can simply arrange the elements you want to a dynamic design and then upload and carve. You start by defining the size of your project, up to 12 feet long and 15 inches wide, and a three-dimensional board is represented on the screen. From there, you can select models, known as patterns, from the included pattern library. Just drag a pattern on the board where you can scale it, rotate it, change its depth, and anchor its position. Add another element and they automatically merge together when you overlap them. Then use tools like mirroring to instantly create a symmetrical composition, or use the drawing tools to add a background. In just a few clicks, your design easily comes together. Then just upload and carve. Want to add text? Click the text tool and choose any font that is already on your computer, then select one of the carving styles. It's that easy to make professional looking signs. But this is just the beginning of what the software is capable of. Design on both sides of the boards for seamless two-sided carving. Set your regions to carve all the way through your workpiece for a full depth carve with no sacrificial needed. Use the drawing tools to define line paths for routing, pocketing, and shape cutting functions. Even make your projects wider by tiling them into multiple boards. Want to add more patterns to the library? Use the Import Image tool to bring in any standard image formats and watch them automatically turn into dimensional carvings. Bring in your favorite logos, clip art, or even photographs for carving backlit lithophane. There is also the CarveWright Pattern Store with thousands more models to choose from. Plus, join our community pages and share projects with your fellow carver. CarveWright's Project Designer gives you so many ways to create. Want even more functionality? CarveWright offers a pro version of Project Designer that adds additional functionality: v-carving, dynamic path aligning, dynamic textures, warping, and more. Still want more? The software was designed with several add-on modules for advanced functionality. This modular approach allows users to add features as they grow with the system instead of buying one expensive package. These modules include 3D and vector importing, 3D modeling and sculpting, and advanced drawing functions. This all adds up to a software suite that can create anything. Learn more about CarveWright's Project Designer at CarveWright.com and download a 30-day free trial.